Eddie, do you want to go see what your brother's doing? Yeah? Want to see what I'm videotaping? Let's videotape Eddie. Let's see if he'll crawl. Call him over here. Say, Eddie, come on.
Eddie, come on.
Come on, Eddie.
Come on, Eddie. Eddie's in the floor.
He's on the floor. He might want some milk.
Eddie picture wants some milk too.
The picture of Eddie wants some milk too? And the real Eddie? Yeah, I think he's hungry.
Hey, Eddie.
You can go give him a kiss on the forehead.
Eddie, you want to?
Be gentle.
See how he's what doing? Eddie? He's a nice brother.
He wants to lick your belly. Be gentle, Henry. Henry, be nice.